Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Today's video is regarding ticker symbol Bngo, what is bionanogenomics, and this is a stock like we know we have been covering in this particular channel. We are holding strong even though the share price came down, but we are holding strong. So if you hold Bngo, or if you're a Bngo lover, or if you want to invest, you are planning to invest in this particular company, then definitely you should stay with me and you should subscribe to this channel because I love to cover this particular stock time to time. So in this particular video I will go over the news, why Bngo is going higher, what is the support resistance, how can we make some money, and also if you want to make some quick money, then what are the options for playing call options, looking at the strike price and the expiry dates. So first of all, I'm not going through the fundamentals of this particular company. We know what is bionanogenomics. I made previous video, and also most probably you also know, so I will not um, waste your time just to talk, but this is a next generation thing, right? So there is a future, that's a big thing. So also in the morning I made another video on SKLG, and it is a huge run we made. Like we started in the morning, we went all the way, I played some call option, made a lot of money. Just release another video. If you are interested, just look at the video, because skills is another one which will go at least $18. Currently this is sitting at $15. So anyway, first of all, what's the news today? The big news came today at 8 o'clock that Bionanogenomics announces sites within the UK's National Health System, which is NHS, have adopted its Sapphire system for optical genome mapping. The adoption of its Sapphire system for optical genome mapping (OGM) by two large laboratories belonging to the National Health System of the United Kingdom, King's College Hospital in London and the NHS Regional Genetics Laboratory in Belfast City Hospital, have adopted Sapphire system through the company's rental program and so on, right? So that's the big news. The two big institutions, they have adopted Sapphire in UK. This is really a good news. And the report is so long. Then the Dr. Anwar Al-Haq said that timely identification of genomic structural variant is vital for providing diagnostic, prognostic, and treatment decision for hematological malignancies. And it talks about so many things, why this is important and everything. I can leave the link below if you want. You can read it. I will not waste your time, but I just want to come at the very bottom what they're saying. They're saying that King's College Hospital London is one of the largest NHS testing center for malignancies and serves a diverse patient population. Okay, and it also talks, this is important, we are thrilled that these NHS centers have chosen to invest in OGM with Sapphire system. So the OGM system they have decided to go with Sapphire system as they begin developing and validating assays on the platform along a path of modernizing their workflows. That's the big news, right? That's the big news. So you see, like yesterday we had a hike in price without any news. So it started from 5.25, it went all the way to $6. Then there was a sell-off and the market was not good, so it came down. But again, like this morning, you see, like it went around 8.17, it went to 5.7 after the news came, then came down. But what happened? Once the market opens, now it is pushing higher and higher, and currently we pushed some kind of consolidation, and again we are consolidating in this area, and soon I think we will push even higher. So very bullish sign. Now look at the chart. We know, like we went all the way to $15, right? All the way to $15, came down, but look at the chart here. Last 2 days we had green days. So yesterday we went higher because of the market condition, we came down, but today you see the arrow here is so strong. Like there is a bottom wick here, and it's the big body of the candle, and there is a very small upper wick, suggesting there is a strong movement. If we can finish the day, let's say above 5.7 or 5.65, tomorrow will be even better. And why I'm saying that, let's look at a daily level RSI. We came to 30, which is oversold, so now we are curling up. Also look at the MACD, where we are sitting, but the good thing is most probably we will curl back, we will go higher, the RSI will go higher and the price will go higher. And we never thought we will come that far, because the previous correction we had sometime in early March, we came up to 5.7. We broke that, and I was thinking, I don't know if there is lots of shorting going on. This is what happening in the market. People, big institutions, they are shorting, right, all the growth stocks. I was thinking maybe it will come around 4 in worst case, but we are so lucky that we are moving from this area, right? So this is the place, right, around let's say $5.1. So you see, it was a support at some time, then also it was a support. Now we are pushing higher. So what's next? I think if we can hold that 5.7 mark, then you see there is no real resistance in this area, right? So in this area there is no real resistance. So I think we will push and we will go to $7 ultimately. Why $7 is important? Previously $7 was a support, important support, then we broke the support. Now $7 might be a resistance, but again, once we break 7, then the upside is up to 8.35, and then we can again retest 9.5. But anyway, I am sure I will make more videos before we go to the place. But for now, look at the price action. $7 is the resistance, 5.7 is the floor we are should be holding, and 5.2 should be our next support. Now if we're holding, perfect. If you also want to make some quick money playing with call option, then what we can do? So what we can do, let's see the earning. The last earning Bngo was good, but even though it came down because of some other related news. But anyway, the next earning is on 13th May. So what we can do, instead of 13th May, we can look at 21st of May. This is the next available expiry date. For call option, we will have 30 days of expiration. So what about if we choose that $5 strike? Our break even will be 6.1, and the current price, what is the current price? The current price is 5.8, so close to 6. So if you take this one and you're just paying $110, and if the share price goes higher, you will make money. $1 increase in the share price will give you $70 in profit. So you can hold till the end of your expiry, or if you find you have locked a good amount of profit, then just lock the profit and get out. Other than that, if you want to spend less money, then you can choose with $6 strike price. Your premium will be 6.6, but your delta is like 49. So anyway, it's up to you how much you want to invest. If you are certain this one will go up, then I think I would prefer to go with 4 or 5 strike price, because the more in the money you go, your delta becomes higher. So if you choose the 4 strike price, then your delta is 86. So $1 increase will give you $86, and the premium is 175, and the break even is 5.75. and what is the share price today? 5.82. so you are not paying any extra extrinsic value. So as long as the share price goes higher, you will just make money. So, and I'm so bullish because it seems like here the share price is consolidating sideways, and soon it will push higher. And as we speak, I see it's looking good. It looking good. I think we will push even higher, and I think 5.84 we will see. Then we can go even higher and higher. So anyway, my friends, I am very long on Bngo. My price target for Bngo is around, it was $15, but maybe after the correction, let's say from $10 to $12 in near term. And I'm holding a lot of share for Bngo, but at the same time I might be playing with call option just to get some quick money. Also caution that the market is choppy. It does not guarantee that today we had a massive green day, we will have a green day tomorrow. But watch with caution. If you buy a call option, just see the price action. If it comes down too much, then just sell. But anyway, I think the market is really good today. All the growth stock, they are doing an excellent job. My profile is way up today. I'm so happy, and I believe you are having the same thing. So anyway, my friends, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.